Lagi bang oily at dull ang skin mo kahit anong gawin mo? Try Dara Soap. It helps to control your oil without drying your glow. Goodbye oily and dull skin talaga. It also has niacinamide, collagen, and glutathione, all-in-one soap na mabisang lunas sa mga melasma, hyperpigmentation, acne or pimples. And alam nyo ba na scar remover din siya? At ang maganda doon is stretch mark remover. Kaya guys, kung kayo ay nakaka-experience sa mga ganong skin problems, let's try this Dara Soap. Hindi rin siya mahapdi sa balat. Kaya kahit ibabad niyo siya for 1 to 2 minutes, is okay lang. Look at the glowing skin na bigay ni Dara Soap. Try it now!
Hi Jai! Happy day everyone! The Dara Skin Cool Soap, proven and tested, FDA approved. This is a natural, radiant, glowing skin. And try the Dara Skin Premium Brightening Soap with a collagen, niacinamide, glutathione, at may pampabanat dahil may anti-aging itong Dara Skin Cool Soap. 7 days, may resulta na. So, consistent lang ang paggamit. Hindi mo pa kailangang gumastos ng mahal para kuminis at pumuti, mga Jais dongs. Pampaputi, pampakinis at pampaglow talaga ang Dara Skin Cool Soap. Ready ka na bang makita ang resulta sa loob ng 7 days? Order na kayo mga Jais dongs. And mayroon itong times 10 powerful Dara Soap. Super effective, pampaputi, pampakintab at pampaglow ng skin. Formulated with niacinamide, collagen at glutathione for the bright, smooth, and radiant. Dara Soap is may niacinamide plus collagen plus glutathione. All-in-one soup. Mabisang lunas sa mga melasma, pikas, hyperpigmentation, acne, pimples, scar remover, stretch mark, dark spots, age spots, prickles, and mayroon itong 70 grams na po ito, plus 66 sa ingredients na niacinamide, plus collagen, plus glutathione, mga Jais and Jongs. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Try it now and click the basket, mga Jais and Jongs. Let's go!
Hey girls, so may nag-ask dito kung ano ba na dapat exact day or exact time, ano ba usually tamang paggamit ng toner. So, for me lang girls kasi ginagamit ko si toner for evening if wala siyang vitamin C. For example, si Dara Skin ko Vitaglow Pore Refining Toner. So, it has niacinamide, 5 times hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. So, ginagamit ko to siya every morning after ng aking facial wash or facial cleanser. And since meron siyang niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, is nakaka-help din siya na improve yung skin texture mo, ma-evens out your skin tone mo, and ma-moisturize ang skin. For me, I use vitamin C toner every morning. By the way, girls, si Pore Refining Toner ng Dara Skin ko is hindi ma-update sa face kasi hindi siya rejuvenating toner. So, if you have sensitive skin, combination skin, or any skin types mo dyan, girl, is pwede kang gumamit ng toner ni Dara Skin ko. So, if you want to try the Pore Refining Toner of Dara Skin ko, I'll put a basket right here. Yun lang, girls. Bye!
If you're dreaming of skin that's clear, hydrated, and glowing, it's time to upgrade your skincare game. Introducing the Vitaglow Pore Refining Toner, your ultimate solution to deep cleansing, skin renewal, and achieving that radiant glow you've always wanted. Packed with 17 plus active ingredients like niacinamide that will improve skin texture for a smoother look, 5 times hyaluronic acid, vitamin C fights dark spots and discoloration, perfect for anyone looking for a quick, effective way to hydrate and glow.
Hey girls, so may nag-ask dito kung ano ba na dapat exact day or exact time, ano ba usually tamang paggamit ng toner. So, for me lang girls kasi ginagamit ko si toner for evening if wala siyang vitamin C. For example, si Dara Skin ko Vitaglow Pore Refining Toner. So, it has niacinamide, 5 times hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. So, ginagamit ko to siya every morning after ng aking facial wash or facial cleanser. And since meron siyang niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, is nakaka-help din siya na improve yung skin texture mo, ma-evens out your skin tone mo, and ma-moisturize ang skin. For me, I use vitamin C toner every morning. By the way, girls, si Pore Refining Toner ng Dara Skin ko is hindi ma-update sa face kasi hindi siya rejuvenating toner. So, if you have sensitive skin, combination skin, or any skin types mo dyan, girl,
Glow Revive Toner, no hepatitis. Choose Dara Skin Co Serum. Advanced formula for hydrated, glowing skin. Deep hydration, skin renewal, intense glow. It has niacinamide that helps improve skin texture and supports an even skin tone. 5 times hyaluronic acid that reduce appearance of wrinkles and enhanced skin texture. Also, vitamin C that brighten the skin and even out skin tone. It has ultralight designed for Asian skin for all skin types. You can apply 2 to 3 drops of serum to face and neck. Gently pat the serum onto skin using fingertips to aid absorption. 0% alcohol to prevent redness on your skin. Try it now. Check the yellow basket.
If you want to achieve that kind of glowing, soft, and smooth skin, well, you better have the Dara Skin Co Glow Revive Serum. So it has 3 power ingredients, which are the niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. So with these 3 power ingredients, it can help you to unevens out your skin tone, to brighten your skin, reduces the fine lines, enhance skin texture, and to maintain the hydration of your face. And always remember, when putting a serum onto your face, don't let the dropper touch your face, and this is to avoid contamination of the product. And if you want to have this Dara Skin Co serum, you better click the basket below. Yun lang, girls. Bye!
Syempre, don't forget to put on sunscreen. It's a must now. I'm using Glow Protect Sunscreen from Dara Skin Co with SPF 50, infused with 17 plus actives ingredients. Brightens skin's radiance, provides hydration and nourish skin, strong screen protection from UV rays. Hindi na ako mag-foundation, let it sit in about a minute or ma-absorb.
This is Dara Skin Sunscreen. Kung naghahanap ka ng sunscreen na hindi malagkit, hindi oily at hindi nagpapawis ng bongga yung mukha mo, this is it. Lightweight, everyday sunscreen na perfect for Philippine weather. Fast absorbing, non-sticky, non-greasy, ideal for daily sun protection kahit indoor or outdoor. This is a broad spectrum UV protection. It helps protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays, helps reduce sun damage, dark spots, and premature aging. Kung sensitive, oily, dry, or combination skin ka, safe and workable siya kasi hindi siya heavy. Try mo na ang Dara Skin Sunscreen. Promise, sulit siya for everyday protection.
May nag-ask dito kung madali na ba talaga daw ma-blend yung sunscreen ni Dara Skin Co. So ito yung tinutukoy niya, girl, na product, which is the Glow Protect Sunscreen that has SPF 50. So papatunayan ko sa inyo, girl, kung madali lang ba talaga ma-blend ang sunscreen nila. By the way, yung sunscreen nila is medyo thick. So, ganito lang muna yung gagamitin natin. So, ayan, girl, wala yung cut or makita nyo talaga.
No more blah, just glow talaga mga mukha natin sa Dara Skin Co Sunscreen. You really love to apply this product.
Yan na, girl. So, this is now my face using the sunscreen of Dara Skin Co. And as you can see, na-blend out natin ng maayos yung sunscreen nila. And, kayo nang humusga. Ayan. Ayan, o, diba? May pag-glowing effect din yung sunscreen ni Dara Skin Co. Ayan, as you can see, diba? Fresh natin tignan dyan. And what I love about with this product, girls, kahit thick yung sunscreen nila, is i-blend out ko pa rin siya ng maayos and hindi siya naglilibag sa face. And kahit one finger rule method lang yung ginawa ko kanina, is a cover up na talaga yung face. So if you want to try the Dara Skin Co sunscreen, I'll put the basket right here. Yun lang, girls. Bye!
Siyempre, dahil patulog na tayo, hindi tayo gagamit ang aking favorite lotion from Dara Skin Co. Ito yung Glow Recharge nila. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, guys, itong lotion na to, perfect na perfect to kasi meron na siya yung pinaka 3 main ingredients na kailangan ng body natin. Niacinamide, glutathione, and collagen. Meron na siya sa isang bote lang bakla. Gamit ko to every morning and every night. Kakarista ko lang kung makikita nyo, meron pa siyang balot-balot dyan. Kasi nga, lagi ko siya nauubos. Sobrang ganda ng consistency ng product na to kasi guys, super absorbent siya, hindi siya malagkit sa balat. Alam nyo rin ba na SPF 30 na siya, kaya kung lalabas kayo, kailangan may lotion kayo or may sunscreen kayo na pwede sa katawan. So, ito yung ginagawa kong pampalit kasi mostly yung sunscreen ko is for face ko lang. Alam nyo, ang bango niya, be. Wala rin siyang white kasa. Naging soft yung balat ko, diba? Siyempre, hindi pwede kakalimutan natin yung legs natin. Kaya achieve mo na yung healthy and radiant glowing skin sa isang bote lang, ate. Kaya, kung ako sa'yo, bilhin mo na siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya, bro. Dara Skin. Sobrang sulit na to, guys. Kaya kung gusto niyo siyang itry, andyan lang sa yellow basket ko. This is from Dara Skin Co.
At
Ito nga pala yung lotion na may SPF 30 from Dara Skin. Ito yung kanilang Glow Recharge Body Lotion na may niacinamide and collagen na nakakatulong para ma-improve ang skin texture and for skin elasticity and deep hydration. Ang maganda pa rito ay for all skin type. So, hindi lang deep hydration na makuha mo, kundi protected din ang skin mo. Ito nga pala yung lotion na may SPF 30 from Dara Skin. Ito yung kanilang Glow Recharge Body Lotion na may niacinamide and collagen na nakakatulong para ma-improve ang skin texture and for skin elasticity and deep hydration. Ang maganda pa rito ay for all skin type. So, hindi lang deep hydration na makuha mo, kundi protected din ang skin mo.
And yes, ayun na nga, love yourself with our Skin Cool Lotion. Be consistent for skin whitening, anti-aging, soft and supple. Napakaganda talaga nito mga kachay. And pwede rin ito sa mga lalaki na gusto pa rin maalagaan ang kanilang mga balat. Itong lotion ni Dara Skin Co, mga chay, is nakakawala din ng elasticity at hindi siya malagkit sa mga balat natin. Proven and tested ko na talaga dahil araw-araw ko na siyang ginagamit. So, ano pang hinintay nyo? Try it now. Let's go, let's go. Click the basket.